Welcome to the second episode of Home Reels, where we talk about the pros and cons of DIY and hiring a contractor for building your home. We'll also talk about other things, so stay tuned. So ano nga ba ang benefits and watch-outs if you do it yourself or get a contractor? Cost savings. DIY projects can be more budget-friendly as you eliminate labor costs associated with hiring a contractor. Creative control. You have the complete freedom to design and execute the project exactly as you envision it. Learning experience. DIY projects provide an opportunity to acquire new skills and knowledge, enhancing your personal growth. Flexibility. You can work at your own pace and schedule, making adjustments as needed. Satisfaction. Completing a project with your own hands can bring a sense of accomplishment and pride. Time and effort. DIY projects often require a significant time commitment, especially if you lack experience or assistance. Skill and expertise. Certain tasks may require specialized knowledge or expertise that you may not possess. Quality and safety risk. Without professional guidance, there is a higher risk of mistakes, compromising the quality and safety of the final outcome. Limited resources. DIY projects may be limited by your access to tools, equipment, and materials. Stress and frustration. Dealing with unexpected challenges or setbacks can be stressful and overwhelming. Expertise and experience. Contractors bring specialized skills and knowledge to ensure professional results. Time savings. Contractors manage the project, saving you the effort and time required for planning, coordination, and execution. Quality workmanship. Professional contractors are equipped with the necessary tools, resources, and industry know-how to deliver high-quality outcomes. Project management. Contractors handle logistics, permits, and subcontractors, streamlining the process and minimizing your involvement. Legal protection. Contractors are often licensed, bonded, and insured, providing you with the protection and peace of mind. Cost. Hiring a contractor can be more expensive due to labor and overhead costs. Limited control. You may have less control over the project's details and timeline as contractors make decisions based on their expertise. Communication challenges. Misunderstandings or lack of effective communication may arise, affecting the project's outcome. Reliance on others. You are dependent on the contractor's availability and scheduling, which may lead to delays. Trust and reputation. Selecting a reputable contractor can be a challenge, requiring thorough research and due diligence. Consider these pros and cons to make an informed decision based on your skills, resources, project complexity, and personal preferences. Now going to the vacation house being built in Alfonso, Cavite. The couple decided on a hybrid approach as they have a family member with experience on building residential structures. They also have access to a specialized and skilled team for electrical, plumbing, and other needs in building this vacation house. So when the couple was asked, what are your non-negotiables? First, farmhouse design. Second, pool. Third, a big kitchen. And fourth, a bathtub in the master's bedroom. When it comes to bathtubs, there are different types: whirlpool, freestanding, drop-in bathtubs, and many more. So how do you choose? There are a few things to consider. How much space do you have? The bigger the space, the more options you can choose from. What's your water heater's capacity? Can your current water heater fill an entire tub? What's your floor capacity? A whirlpool tub is much heavier than a simple acrylic tub. If your floor can't support the weight, can you reinforce it? How will you use your bathtub? If your kids are the only ones who will use it, a whirlpool may not be worth the extra cost. If you're into relaxation with a book or wine, you may want more than a simple tub. Originally, the master bathroom that they have is only 1.35 by 3.60 square meters. It's small to put a tub in, so the couple decided to expand it to 3 by 3.5 square meters. And this allowed them to consider freestanding and whirlpool bathtubs. That's why they went to CW Home Depot in Ortigas to check out different options from pool bath systems. There's a classic one that reminds you of a Victorian era called Paradise. There's a more modern one that can fit any contemporary or modernist home called Keres. For spa enthusiasts, there's Hush that has accent lights and whirlpool functionalities for that fantastic water massage. Having options na help the couple decide the best bathtub for their vacation home. Comment down below and who knows, they might just pick it. Vacation house progress. After all the excavation and clearing, the contractor found out that the lot is 7 feet lower than the main road. That's why the couple decided to make this into a basement, expanding their floor area and increasing their space. The basement is nearly finished, and we can't wait to share with you how this construction unfolds in the next episode. So stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.